Stoicism, originating from the teachings of ancient Greek philosophers, offers timeless wisdom applicable to modern life. Central to Stoic philosophy is the notion of distinguishing between what is within our control and what is not. This fundamental principle guides us towards a fulfilling life by focusing our energy on what we can influence while disregarding external factors beyond our command. Epictetus, a prominent Stoic philosopher, emphasized the importance of understanding that external opinions and judgments hold no power over us unless we allow them to. In his renowned Manual of Life, he outlined 5 secrets aimed at cultivating a mindset immune to the influence of others' perceptions. These teachings offer valuable insights into achieving mental resilience and reducing the suffering caused by external judgments. Secret 1. Disrespect or violations. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches individuals how to navigate life's challenges with a sense of tranquility and resilience. Rooted in the teachings of ancient Greek and Roman philosophers such as Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius, Stoicism offers valuable insights into managing emotions and maintaining composure, especially in situations where one may face disrespect or violations. At the core of Stoic philosophy lies the belief in focusing on what is within our control and accepting what is not. Stoics emphasize the importance of virtue, holding that true happiness and fulfillment come from living a life guided by principles such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. When faced with disrespect or violations, Stoicism advocates for a measured response rooted in reason and self-discipline. Rather than reacting impulsively or allowing emotions to dictate one's actions, Stoics advise taking a step back to assess the situation calmly and rationally. Central to Stoic teachings is the notion that our perceptions shape our reality. By shifting our focus away from external events and towards our internal attitudes and beliefs, we can maintain a sense of inner peace and stability regardless of external circumstances. Stoicism encourages individuals to cultivate acceptance and resilience in the face of adversity. Instead of dwelling on the injustice of a situation or seeking revenge, Stoics advocate for embracing challenges as opportunities for personal growth and development. Incorporating Stoic principles into everyday life can help individuals navigate a wide range of challenging situations, from minor annoyances to major setbacks. By practicing mindfulness, gratitude, and self-reflection, one can develop the resilience and inner strength needed to face life's ups and downs with equanimity. Secret 2. Keep your goals clear. Stoicism revolves around several fundamental principles, including the belief in the importance of living in accordance with nature, accepting things that are beyond our control, and focusing on what we can influence. Stoics also advocate for practicing self-discipline, moderation, and the cultivation of inner tranquility amidst external chaos. One of the key aspects of Stoic philosophy is the importance of clarifying your goals and objectives. By clearly defining what you want to achieve, you can better align your actions and decisions with your overarching aspirations. Whether it's personal growth, professional success, or inner peace, setting clear goals provides a sense of direction and purpose. In addition to defining your goals, Stoicism emphasizes the significance of setting clear intentions. This involves being mindful of your actions and ensuring that they are aligned with your values and principles. By maintaining clarity of purpose, you can avoid distractions and stay focused on what truly matters to you. In today's fast-paced world, distractions abound at every turn. Stoicism teaches individuals to identify and eliminate distractions that hinder their progress. Whether it's excessive screen time, negative influences, or frivolous activities, learning to prioritize and focus on the essentials is essential for success. Another crucial aspect of Stoic philosophy is the development of mental resilience. Stoics believe in the power of the mind to overcome adversity and bounce back from setbacks. By cultivating resilience through practices such as meditation, reflection, and self-examination, individuals can navigate life's challenges with grace and fortitude. Change is inevitable, and Stoicism teaches individuals to embrace it rather than resist it. Instead of clinging to the past or fearing the future, Stoics advocate for embracing change as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. By adopting a flexible mindset and adapting to new circumstances, individuals can thrive in the face of uncertainty. Equanimity, or mental calmness and composure, is another key tenet of Stoic philosophy. Stoics believe in maintaining a balanced perspective regardless of external circumstances, avoiding extremes of emotion, and remaining centered in the face of adversity. By cultivating equanimity, individuals can navigate life's challenges with grace and poise. Secret 3. Don't worry about others' opinions. One of the most common sources of anxiety and stress is the fear of judgment from others. However, Stoicism offers powerful insights into overcoming this fear. By recognizing that the opinions of others are ultimately beyond our control, we can free ourselves from the need for validation and approval. Instead of seeking external validation, we can focus on living in alignment with our values and principles. Practicing Stoicism requires cultivating certain habits and mindset shifts. Mindfulness and acceptance are key practices in Stoic philosophy, allowing us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment and to accept the present moment as it is. Additionally, focusing on what is within our control enables us to direct our energy and attention toward productive actions rather than worrying about things beyond our influence. Throughout history, many individuals have exemplified Stoic principles in their lives. From ancient philosophers like Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius to modern-day leaders and thinkers, Stoicism has guided countless individuals in facing adversity with courage and resilience. By studying their examples, we can gain inspiration and insight into how to apply Stoic principles in our own lives. Stoicism offers a powerful framework for navigating life's challenges with wisdom and resilience. By detaching ourselves from the opinions of others and focusing on what is within our control, we can cultivate inner peace and strength. Embracing Stoicism enables us to live authentically, guided by our own values and principles, rather than seeking validation from external sources. Secret 4. Practice. Extreme self-control. Stoic philosophy is all about self-control, which they call self-mastery. Stoics believed that real freedom comes from being able to control your own thoughts and reactions to what happens around you. By practicing self-discipline, people can become stronger and find peace even when life gets tough. Extreme self-control, as the Stoics saw it, means being in charge of your desires, emotions, and impulses. It takes a conscious effort to control your thoughts and actions, sticking to what's right and good. By mastering extreme self-control, people can feel peaceful and free inside, regardless of what's happening outside. Developing self-control takes time and effort. Stoic practices like meditation, writing in a journal, and thinking deeply can help people become more aware of themselves and deal with tough emotions better. By challenging unhelpful thoughts and habits, people can train their minds to handle life's ups and downs calmly and clearly. Extreme self-control helps people stay strong when things get hard. By seeing setbacks as chances to learn and grow, people can stay strong and keep going, no matter what comes their way. Having extreme self-control makes it easier to stay calm even when things around you are chaotic. By learning to accept things as they are and not getting too caught up in feelings, people can feel peaceful inside. Extreme self-control also helps with making good decisions that line up with what's important to you. By thinking carefully about choices and not giving in to impulses, people can avoid making mistakes they'll regret later. Throughout history, many people have shown incredible self-control in tough times. From Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius to Nelson Mandela during his time in prison, these examples show how powerful self-mastery can be in facing life's biggest challenges. Practicing extreme self-control based on Stoic ideas can teach us a lot about living a good life. By controlling our thoughts, emotions, and actions, we can become mentally strong, emotionally stable, and better at making choices. With practice and determination, Anyone can use Stoic principles to handle life's ups and downs calmly and confidently. Secret 5. Do what you think is right. Stoicism is about doing what's right no matter what. It teaches us to focus on our inner peace and stay calm, even when things are tough. Life is full of challenges, but Stoicism helps us become stronger and handle them better. It encourages us to be brave and keep going no matter what. Being a good person is really important in Stoicism. It tells us to be brave, fair, and wise, and to live with purpose. Stoicism reminds us that material things don't last forever. By understanding this, we can feel more free and happy inside. Stoics think it's important to think clearly and understand things well. By doing this, we can face life's problems with confidence. Following Stoic ideas in our daily lives can make a big difference. It can help us handle tough situations better and make better choices. By being mindful, living virtuously, and doing what's right, we can see positive changes in our lives. In a world full of uncertainty, Stoicism gives us a way to find peace and do what's right. By embracing virtues, staying strong, and doing good, we can face life's challenges with grace and honesty and come out stronger in the end. As you start learning about Stoicism, keep these 5 secrets in mind. Accept things as they are, build inner strength, prioritize being virtuous, stay mindful, and understand that nothing lasts forever. Subscribe to our channel for more Stoic wisdom and find peace in life's ups and downs. Until next time, stay strong and resilient.